Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Lightroom for free on your PC or Mac. To get started, click the link in the description below, which will take you directly to Adobe's official website. Once you're there, click on the free trial option. Choose the business plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial. Plenty of time to test out all the powerful features in Lightroom. Click Continue, then enter your email address and press Continue again. You'll be asked to fill out a short form with your personal details and payment information. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the trial ends, and you can cancel at any time before that. Once the form is complete, click Agree and Subscribe. Next, you'll create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After that, you'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it, then log in using the email you just registered. Once Creative Cloud is open, head to the Apps tab, find Adobe Lightroom, and click Install. And that's it! Adobe Lightroom is now installed and ready to use. Start editing and enhancing your photos like a pro. Plus, you'll have access to all the other excellent tools in the Creative Cloud Pro suite. Don't forget, click the link in the description to try Adobe Lightroom and the full Creative Cloud Pro suite for free today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.